Alright, today I'm going to show you how you can remove certain characters in Excel. So here in our example we have some ID numbers. You'll notice that all of these ID numbers start with A and a dash, and then the number dash GG. So we actually want to remove the A dash and the dash GG and just keep the number here in this column here for the new ID. Now I'm going to show you three basic ways on how you can do this. Now for this first method, let's just say that you want to remove the dash GG, keep the A, dash, and the number. So what we'll do is we'll select the cell where we want the new value to be, type equals, and we're going to select the substitute formula. Now the first part of this formula is going to ask us for text. So we're going to select the cell where our value is. We're going to hit comma, and then it's going to ask for the old text. And this is what we want the formula to find and replace. In this case, we'll put quote dash GG quote to signify that, hey, Excel, we want you to find this in that cell. Then we'll go ahead and hit comma, and it's going to ask us what we want it to replace it with, or the new text. And we're just going to type quote quote to leave that blank. And we'll end that with the parenthesis, hit enter, and that will remove the GG for us. Now what we can do is double click this little square in the bottom right corner here, and that formula will copy all the way down our entire column of values. Now keep in mind that this formula really only works if the original value all has the same type of ID. For example, if this was GA rather than GG, then that formula isn't going to work properly. Alright, now let me show you a second way that you can do this. Now what you can do is simply type the number in once, and then type it in again twice, and then you can select Control E, and it will copy that method all the way down your column, removing the A dash and the dash GG. Now the last method I'm going to show you is called text to columns. So what you're going to want to do is select the column with all of your data, go up to the data ribbon, and select text to columns under data tools. This little menu will pop up, and in this case we're going to want to select delimited, go ahead and hit next, and then it's going to ask you what you want your delimiter to be, or what you want to be separated. In this case we can select other and type the dash. There's a dash in between the start and the end of each number. So then it will give us a preview down here of what that will look like, and what it's going to do is create 3 new columns. We'll go ahead and hit finish and OK, and that's going to remove the dash and separate all of this. Now we can delete these column of data, and we can move this number over, and then we're simply left with our number for our ID, removing the A dash and the dash GG. But there you have it. Those are kind of 3 basic ways that you can remove certain characters in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button on your way out. Thank you. And just have such a great rest of your day.